In the small Ghanaian village of Adom, little Kofi woke up to the sound of birds chirping outside his window. The delicious smell of waakye, rice and beans, and koko, spiced millet porridge, from his neighbor's house made his tummy rumble. Kofi ran to the kitchen, where his mother, Mama Efua, was already busy. "Mama, I want to make my own breakfast today," he declared with excitement. Mama Efua smiled and nodded. "That's a wonderful idea, Kofi. But making breakfast is an adventure. You must follow the steps carefully." Step 1. Gathering the ingredients. Mama Efua gave Kofi a small basket. "First, go to the storeroom and bring some millet for the koko, a handful of beans, and some rice." Kofi ran to the storeroom, picked the ingredients, and brought them to the kitchen. "Done, Mama," he said proudly. "Good. Now, let's wash the beans and rice for the waakye," Mama Efua instructed. Step 2. Cooking the waakye. Kofi poured water into a pot and added the beans. "It takes time for the beans to soften," Mama Efua explained. "Let's let it cook before adding the rice." As they waited, Kofi helped Mama grind some millet into a fine powder for the koko. Once the beans were soft, Kofi added the rice, stirring carefully. "You're doing well, my son," Mama Efua praised. Step 3. Making the koko. Now, it was time for the porridge. Mama Efua showed Kofi how to mix the millet powder with water to form a smooth paste. Then, they poured it into a pot of boiling water, stirring until it thickened. "Let's add a little ginger and cloves for flavor," Mama Efua said. The sweet and spicy aroma filled the kitchen. Step 4. Adding the sides. "You can't have waakye without something delicious on the side," Mama Efua said. She boiled an egg and cut up some fried plantains. Kofi, feeling like a real chef, set the table with the food. The reward. Finally, breakfast was ready. Kofi and Mama Efua sat outside under the big baobab tree, enjoying their meal. "This is the best breakfast ever," Kofi said, taking a big spoonful of waakye. Mama Efua laughed. "That's because you made it with love and care." From that day on, Kofi helped with breakfast every morning, proud of his new skill. Lesson: making breakfast can be fun when you take your time, follow the steps, and cook with love. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!